Hello and welcome to NyamNyam. Let's make meringue nests. Start by whisking together 2 egg whites and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Add in 145 grams of sugar a bit at a time. Then 1/4 teaspoon of salt and whisk until it forms stiff peaks. Then add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And your meringue mixture is ready. Pipe onto a lined baking tray like so. And bake at 120 degrees for 75 minutes. Once ready, you can serve with lemon curd, a slice of lemon and a sprig of mint, or strawberry jam, a fresh strawberry slice and some rosemary. Or if you like, add some blueberry jam, a fresh blueberry, and let's not forget the mint. And there you have it, meringue nests. Fantastically simple and delicious. Enjoy! Going to show you how to make this fantastic meringue cake with meringue lollipops on top. Ooh, cool. All you need is 100 grams of egg whites. Whisk them up in a mixing bowl until they get light and fluffy. Then you can start to add gradually 150 grams of sugar. This is for your meringue mixture, and you will know it's ready when stiff peaks are formed. We're going to separate that mixture into several mixing bowls and add different food colourings. We're using pink and purple and blue. Stick those in some piping bags. And using cocktail sticks, you can make meringue lollipops. Let's make a few of those. In fact, you could just make meringue lollipops all on their own as a treat for your kids. Now for some baby meringues. These are going to make fantastic decorations for our cake. So once they're ready, you can stick them in the oven for 2 hours at 90 degrees. While they are baking away, you get your vanilla cake. And add pink buttercream icing. Layering it like so. We want ours to be quite tall, so we're going to add 3 layers. Of course, you can adapt this recipe to suit your own preferences. Coating the entire outside in buttercream icing too, making sure it's nice and smooth. Good surface to decorate on. Drizzle on some white chocolate ganache. Just let it drip down one side of your cake, and you can add your meringue lollipops. And your baby meringues. There you go. How about down the side too? The great thing about buttercream icing coating on a cake is that you can use it as a kind of glue to stick things on. You get to be a real artist here. Add some sprinkles, or whatever you like really. Edible flowers, chocolate. With baking or any kind of cooking, you can really have fun when it comes to presentation. And there you have it, a brilliant and beautiful meringue cake, fit for any princess's birthday party. Ooh, look at that. Time to dig in. Want some? I bet you do. Do you love meringue? Do you like flowers? Do you like chocolate cake? Well, this will be just the cake for you then. Let's give it a go. You start with 100 grams of egg white and whisk it away till it's light and frothy. Using an electric whisk will save a lot of time. Then gradually add 120 grams of sugar. Whisk away. Once you have this wonderful, nice, light, foamy, smooth texture, you start separating it out and adding food colourings. We're making a pink, a purple, a lime green. You can use whichever colours you like. We stuck these coloured meringue mixtures in various food piping bags, and using a cocktail stick as the stem, we are just piping on some different flower shapes. We're doing a pink serrated edge nozzle flower, so we get this lovely sort of rose petal effect, with green for the leaves, of course. And then a smooth edge nozzle to make a simple daisy with a bit of yellow in the middle. There's our leaves again. And a lovely purple flower. So you can experiment with different types of nozzles to get different patterns and do your favourite flowers. Stick that in the oven at only 90 degrees for 2 hours. While that's baking away, you're going to get your chocolate cake and layer it with chocolate buttercream icing. Then cover the outside with more buttercream icing, grey this time. Once that's completely covered, we can smooth it over. And a few smidgens of black buttercream icing to create a kind of marbly effect. Now we're spreading some crushed Oreo cookie on the top to give the effect of soil, and our meringue flowers are ready, so we can stick them in. And here you are creating this beautiful bunch of edible flowers. I am absolutely loving these bright, colourful flowers against the dark brown of the chocolate cake. And I love the idea of Oreo cookie soil. And there you go. Wouldn't that make a lovely cake for any special occasion? And it's chocolate too. What's not to like? Ooh, look at that. Meringue-tastic! A gorgeous edible flour meringue cake layered with buttercream icing. All you need is 100 grams of egg whites. Whisk them till they're white and fluffy and add in 150 grams of sugar, a bit at a time. Whisking all the while until stiff peaks form. Now we can stick that mixture in a piping bag and pipe your desired shape onto your baking tray. Ready to stick in the oven for 2 hours at just 90 degrees. Make 2 of these and then layer them with buttercream icing. I'm getting hungry already. Time to decorate with your edible flowers. We are loving this bright fuchsia pink against the white of the meringue. We're covering the entire top. You can do it as sparsely or full as you like. Add some different purple flowers in there for a bit of variation. A few along the side for presentation. And there we are. Isn't she pretty? I don't want to spoil her, but I'm going to have a slice anyway. Can't resist. I love meringue, and I love that you can eat the flowers too. Yum.